So what you want? You're killing me softly. Know that you love me. Maybe I'm honestly falling too soon. I'm happy we're grown now. Don't gotta love you on the low now. Can you hit me when you're home and I'll come running back to you? I need you to be myself again. I need to believe I'm worth the work. I need you to see parts of me I hide, parts of me I hide away for someone else to find. With all the stars in the sky that burn, you are the one to bring me back to earth. See, you remind me where I came from. So when you're done with work, just hear me pour outside. Meditate on you just for the hype. Think we met before another life. One around two, I can meet you outside. You're killing me softly. I'm fascinated by the nighttime, the way it calls to me, the darker side of me. And I'm addicted to the moonlight. When everyone's asleep, I'm wide awake and start to dream. No need to rush. Tell me where you wanna go. I feel like the world just opened, and everything we touch is gold, and it fades to gray. And love is only what we see. A friend of mine, when we align, it's almost like my heart starts to beat. One light up above, take over me. Now I open up and feel your energy. Bright lights, I look up, it's warning me, yeah. I think I'll stay a while, I think I'll stay a while. Surrounded by the feeling,